ambassador in Afghanistan. In spite of all these challenges, when the whole world is not willing to recognize Taliban government, China has an embassy over there. So this is a good initiative on their part, and this shows the seriousness and concern of the Chinese for the regional security and development together. With Pakistan also, as Dr. Saab said, that this relationship has given both of us mutual benefits. Right from the word go, when nobody would look at the Chinese equipment, Pakistan was buying that equipment, and Pakistan has Air Force especially has operated Chinese hardware since the days of MiG-15, and we used to call them FT5, and then F6s, F7s, F7PGs, now JF-17, J-10C, and in between the training aircraft K-8. And interestingly, if I may tell you that whenever Pakistan bought or acquired any Chinese weapon system, it was immediately acquired by other African and Middle Eastern countries, because they knew that if Pakistan is operating the system, that means it is worth it.
That means a lot.
That means a lot. So it's a very long history of very close friendship. But the most important point that I would like to highlight, and Dr. Saab also touched upon, that the Chinese help or assistance or cooperation is never attached with ifs and buts. It comes with financial support, it comes with technology transfer, it comes with training, it comes with maintenance, it comes with supply chain management, and it comes with the hardware. I have been very fortunate to have myself ferried the aeroplane twice from China to Pakistan, and I know what kind of support they provide when you go there to get the aircraft.